Your support queue is full of tickets that have been sitting there for days with no reply. What if Zendesk could automatically handle those for you? Here is exactly how to set up time-based automation conditions. Here is the #1 mistake people make. They search for trigger conditions with hours since status change, but triggers are event-based and fire instantly. What you actually need is an automation, which runs on a schedule and supports time-based conditions. Zendesk gives you a full set of hours, since conditions. You can track time by status like created, open, pending, and solved. You can track updates by requester or assignee, and you can even monitor SLA breaches and due dates. This catches a lot of people off guard. A 48-hour rule in calendar hours fires in 2 days, but in business hours, that same 48 hours stretches to 6 business days if your team works 9 to 5. Let us build your first automation. Head to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, Business Rules, and click on Automations. Click Add Automation and set 3 conditions. Status is pending, hours since pending greater than 48, and tags contains none of auto-solved. Each condition narrows the scope of what gets matched. When selecting your hours since condition, always use greater than instead of is, because automations run hourly. An exact match like is 24 can easily be missed between cycles. Without a nullifying condition, your automation fires on the same ticket every single hour. The fix is simple: check that a tag is absent, then add that tag as an action. Once added, the ticket no longer matches. Now set your actions. Add the nullifying tag, change the status to solved, and optionally notify the customer that their ticket was resolved. Hit Create Automation, and you are live. 4 rules to live by. Always use greater than for time conditions. Always include a nullifying tag. Remember that automations process a maximum of 1,000 tickets per cycle. And document which rules use business hours versus calendar hours. Teams use time-based automations in 6 powerful ways: auto-solving pending tickets, sending reminder emails, escalating stale tickets, closing solved tickets, following up on on-hold items, and sending SLA breach warnings. Want to go even further? Eesel AI reads ticket intent and sentiment the moment they arrive, routing them to the right team instantly. Your time-based automations then handle the follow-ups on a clean, organized queue. Ready to automate smarter? Try Eesel AI free for 7 days, no credit card required. Visit eesel.ai and see how intelligent triage works alongside your Zendesk automations.